Tara, sigang tayo. Ating ginger, ating kamatis, our onions. Lagyan natin asin, and put our skinless chicken quarter. Chicken quarter with no skin and fat. Let's cook with all that seasoning. Put our radish, white radish. Let's stir it. Let's put 1 bouillon cubes. Put our eggplant. Ayan ang ating sabaw. Tingnan mo yung manok natin. Palambutin pa natin yan. Tikman natin yung sabaw. Lagyan na natin yung ating tamarind soup mix. Lagyan na natin yung ating sinigang mix. Para mag-absorb sa ating chicken habang nilalaga siya. Okay, I think our chicken is ready. Oh, look. Now, let's put our green vegetable, ang ating kangkong or watergrass. Alam nyo guys, yung English pala ng kangkong ay watergrass. Dito ko lang nalalaman. Ayan, balikan natin mamaya. Okay, our chicken sinigang soup is ready. Ayan, tingnan nyo yung manok natin. Oh. Malambot na siya. Tinulang sinigang na manok. Ang sarap nito. Tingnan natin. Wow, tamang-tamang timpla. That's it guys. Our chicken sinigang. Thank you for watching. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Wow. Sabaw pa lang, ulam na. It's really delicious. Chicken sinigang. Sarap. Sarap, sarap. Nakakabuhay ng patay. Sarap. Nakakabuhay ng patay sa sarap. Wow. Yummy, yummy.